In this video, we will walk you through the assembly process of our four-wheel mobility scooter. Unbox the package and remove all of the contents from the box. Start by assembling the front wheels. Place one flat washer on the shaft, then the wheel, then another flat washer, and a nut. Completely tighten the nut and repeat these steps on the other side. Once both wheels are tightly secured, unfold the scooter. Push it forward until you hear a click. Next, assemble the fenders. Press down hard to lock them into position. Then securely screw them in. Turn the seat bottom side up, secure the seat stand with 4 bolts. Next, insert the seat to the scooter frame. Remove the clevis pin to raise or lower the seat to your desired seat height. Then tighten the seat post clamp. While you're at it, go ahead and adjust the handlebar height as well. Insert both of the included batteries into the storage compartments. Power on your scooter, and you're now ready to ride.